You ready for Thailand? She's going to Thailand. She's going to Thailand. Must be nice, huh? Let's do the unboxing. There's white and brown and then black and brown. That's what it says in there.
I also bought a luggage cover.
No, it's so funny. This is my video. This is my YouTube channel. And all the video on the video, it's always Dad. Because he was walking all the time. Wow. That's big.
This is perfect. Mom, hold the box.
I'm doing the unboxing thing.
How do you just sit it down?
Okay, wait.
24.
23 kilos.
Let me see. Okay, I want to save it in case I'm going to turn it. I don't think I will, but...
Wow.
Scott's saying he wants to get luggage in Thailand. How am I supposed to shop for luggage in Thailand for a good price? Oh yeah, this is nice. Wow.
I think it's okay. It's good.
I think it's pretty.
Mm-hmm. How many is inside? 2?
3.
3 altogether?
If these don't break when we go on our vacation, then it's good, right?
Is this going 360? What? Is going 360? Nice.
They're so aesthetic.
What aesthetic? Durable, they said.
Said they squished it.
Looks expensive now, yeah.
It's really expensive.
How much is that?
$260 something. Oh, it's expanding. But it expands. Where's the zipper? Annabelle. Break it down again. Very nice.
Allah?
Medium. Ooh, it fits flush.
What?
No. Head luggage. Oh.
It's cute. Do you have another one?
And then it's a daddy and the mommy.
Which one are you gonna bring? The big one?
The 2 big ones, that's it. Not these ones. And then the baby.
Oh, they're pretty.
Oh yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah, I don't think you need to return that. It's cute.
Maybe I should throw it to see if it's fine. See it, shot it somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. I brought covers.
Covers for what?
Oh, so cute.
Oh, they're so cute. This one.
I like it. Chic journey begins in VIP box. Okay.
Is that on TikTok? So that's a good thing that you don't have to...
It's not cushion. I thought it'd be cushion. This will be fine. This one. My concern is the big one. Throw it around and everything. That's another reason why I don't want to buy an expensive luggage. It's just gonna get ruined anyways.
No, but that's for your travel. Lifetime traveling. Is the That zipper is YKK or no?
I don't see it.
It's not YKK. If it's YKK, it's good, I think.
Then you do it here.
It's like your dad's.
Yeah, it's so good. I don't know how to do this. We'll figure it out. I want to lock on it too. I'll show you how to do it. There's no squishy part here.
It's kind of loose.
Hmm? Aesthetic.
Yee, you ready for your trip? Yeah.
Yeah, just the big one and this one I'm gonna bring. Cute.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tineco I just bought a new vacuum cleaner and it's called Tineco Go Series cordless vacuum, quick and easy. Okay, this is a cordless cleaning vacuum and it's up to 40 minutes run time. There's a HEPA filtration and convert to hand vacuum, so I guess I can use this to my car. It's cordless and portable. So this is how it looks like. I am going to check out how this works before using it. And then the operation, look at the maintenance here, and you have to charge it. So, and then it says here, please do not return to store. Tineco is here to help. So this is it, I guess. Let's see. Right now, this is how it looks inside. I'll take a picture of that. And it has a manual. Thank you for choosing Tineco. I look at it in TikTok and it says that it looks like, I think this is the comparison with Dyson. There's a a special gift here. Then assured warranty, exclusive deal, first to know and try, the maintenance tips, share and win prizes with Tineco reward. Post a photo or video of Tineco product in your Instagram or Facebook, YouTube or TikTok, my Tineco, and you have to tag us to enter. Oh, okay, cool. I can do that. Let's see. Okay, so there we go. This is what it is. Hope this will work because I am going to the condo today. We have a new tenant coming in, and yes, oh, there's a charger here. I have to clean the condo, our condo, and we're gonna have a tenant coming on Tuesday, so I just want to check it out, but I don't have a vacuum cleaner because our vacuum is connected to the house, so it's a centralized vacuum. And now I will have to try this one. That's why I bought this. Okay, so hang on one second. I'm just gonna put this down and let's see what's inside this box. Okay, guys, this is the handle for that vacuum. They have a brush here that's connected. It says dust brush, and I believe this is the what's in here. This is the connected parts to. Oops. I don't know. This is for the mounting, I think, when you're charging it. Right. And like I said, this one is a charger. You're gonna have to charge. They said 40 minutes, huh? Let's see. I hope I can use it today. That's why I bought it. I'm not good at this assembly. But let's see. He said it's easy to assemble. What's inside here? Oh, it's so beautiful. It's pretty, huh? Look, it's blue. Fancy, fancy. Okay, so this is the extension for the handle. Wow. This is so cute. I hope it's not that heavy. It doesn't look heavy. Let's try it. Okay, it looks like you just have to snap this here. And when you take it out, you have to unsnap it. I can't do it while I'm taking a video. Hold on, let me just do that. It's the main. Let's see how. Hey, that is look. Look at this, so pretty. Looks like that. I hope I can put them back together. Yeah, there you go. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.